Welcome back to the shop. It's Monday, the 25th of June, 2018.
Hi, everybody.
Alrighty. Alright, let's talk about, like we always do, who was here this weekend. Kind of a light turnout this weekend. Daniel, Kimmy, and the Butterbean come by and spent Sunday with us. I don't think Saturday anybody was.
No, there wasn't anybody here Saturday.
So yeah, kind of a quiet weekend this weekend. You'd think we've got a lot done in the shop with a quiet weekend. But let's talk about that next. Alrighty, so this week in the shop, what did we get done? Well, Tuesday, we started moving all the 2x4 stock that we cut. Now, there was a video release, we'll talk about that a little bit more, but a video released later in the week last week of me, Jay, and Michael cutting some 2x stock out here on the mill from some cants. And we had that on the trailer, so we stacked that right out up front here. We did that both Tuesday, and when did we do that? Tuesday
and Wednesday.
Tuesday and Wednesday we did that, so a lot of stacking took place.
Sprayed them down.
Yeah, sprayed them down with some Clorox, kind of keep the fungi down off of it. And actually some good looking boards out there.
Gorgeous.
Some really, really nice. This is kind of like almost
can't wait to see it on my shed.
Yeah, so it's going to be some beautiful stuff there. And then that was Tuesday and Wednesday, and Thursday we went to an auction, went to a special Thursday night auction, our good friend Sunset Auction up here in Thompson. Had a really good time. That was a good auction.
It was a good auction.
Wasn't a ton of people there, but I tell you, it was nice. The prices were good. We got some really, really good buys. Now let's take a look at a couple of those things that we got. We got this. Now this is Merino glass right here. A little heart. Really like it. It's very nice looking. This right here, now is this Merino too?
Yes, it's Murano. It's
Murano glass from Italy. So really nice stuff.
These are Limoges.
Now this is a little Limoges. I'm gonna call this a pill box. This actually opens up. That's just kind of a cute little thing right there. Looks nice.
That's just pretty.
Yeah, and then a little spray bottle, I guess, for perfume. But looks really nice. I like that. And then
for projects.
And these are two little project things that we're going to do. I think we're going to wind up putting them on some boards and put in like a little, maybe a sign or something. One of your signs with saying on it, and put some flowers in there. So those are really, really nice, very cute. We've got, I don't know, a bunch of those. And then this is a little Fitz and Floyd cup and saucer, hand painted. This is all hand painted. Look at this right here. That's kind of neat. That's kind of a neat little thing right there. So all hand painted. And that came out of the auction. Prices were really good. I think we got a good buy on most of that stuff. Really, really good prices. And then Friday we released that special cants to boards video on Friday, and that was where Michael, Jay, and I cut some cants. Some of these cants. We talk about what a cant is and everything into some 2x stock. My 2x stock, I mean 2x4s, 2x10s, 2x12s, 2x6s, 2x8s, 2x a lot. So a lot of different things, and there's a bunch of it out there.
Yes, there is.
So there's a whole bunch out there that we've got, but we did that, and that was Friday we did that, and then Friday night when I got home I started burning off some of these old logs I told y'all we're going to be doing. We got rid of a couple of those, got a big pile down there. It was a pretty good fire, burnt until yesterday until the storm rolled in and the rain put it out. So we did that, so that was pretty busy. And then on Sunday we worked on Daniel's mailbox that was sitting right up here behind me here the last couple of weeks. We got it started on it, putting the cedar siding on it. We waited a little late in the day Sunday to do that. Next week when he comes over, we're going to start over early in the morning and go out, well I say in the morning, early in the afternoon when they get here, because we're putting it on with polyurethane glue. I've never done anything like that, so we don't worry about nailing it and even snapping the boards or breaking the boards with even pin nails. We're just going to put some polyurethane glue and see how that does. It's kind of an experiment, but we're putting a cedar side on that. And I'm going to show you all that when we get it all done, and probably wait till we get it put in over at Daniel's. But that was really kind of all we got done for the week. Now let's talk a little bit more here about projects. And let's talk about projects completed. I don't think we got anything done projects completed.
Well, I completed a few things. I got our resin pour on glass. I framed them, put the little glazing pins in it, so that now they have nice frames.
Right.
And some other pictures that I did.
Some other pictures?
Yeah,
okay.
some other pictures, yeah.
Mama framed up some of those pictures, those pretty resin pours that we've shown you. I've held up a couple of times that she's been doing with the resin on glass. Actually put those in some picture frames and everything, and use the little glazing points that holds the actual picture in, where instead of using little nails to hold the pictures in, use those glazing points. How do you like working with those?
I love those. Those were, since I figured out how to use it with a putty knife. because the putty knife is flat, and you can actually put, and you get the same amount of pressure pushing them in. So
kind
it
of
works
important with those
Right.
because you can't even be with the hammer and tapping that. So
because you'll break
those
something.
glazing points. We might have to do a little quick video on glazing points and how
Yeah, that
to
would
use
be
those.
good.
We may do that, but if y'all are interested, let me know in the comments below if you want us to go ahead and maybe shoot a video on glazing points, because I really think that probably the only way really to do pictures. All right, let's move on. Kind of up to our favorite part of the show, shows and markets, markets and shows. Lakewood Antiques 400 Market. We're going to be there July 20th, 21st, and 22nd. Looking forward to that.
Yeah, I'm looking forward to it.
It's going to be hot outside, cool projects on the inside. So if y'all are up there, come by and see us. Michael, we look forward to seeing y'all, or you. We'll be right up there at the end of C Hall, just like we were before. Go all the way down C Hall and come back up, look at all the neat stuff on C Hall. And as you come back up C Hall, you'll see Two Dogs Woodworking in wood, kind of on the far wall. You won't be able to miss this. It's clear shot. It's a really good spot. I like it.
Very good spot.
So we'll be up there on the 20th, 21st, and 22nd of July. Then we got summer to go through. Now the neat thing is we took a lot of our stuff out of there the last time, didn't we?
Change
so we're
it out.
going to be doing some new projects and stuff. So while we're talking about new stuff coming up, let's talk about that in just a second. So upcoming for Two Dogs, what do we got upcoming for Two Dogs? I want to cut some more of this 2x stock. I got a ton of cants here. We're going to cut that up in 2x stock. I'm going to start picking up the pine trees from Daniel's house, start cutting them up into cants. So essentially what I'm doing is I'm going to take old cants that are dried out a little bit so the wood will be good and dry, turn them into 2x stock, bring new logs out here and make them into cants, and they'll get Daniel's yard cleaned up, plus give us a bunch of 2x stock. We're going to finish on Daniel's mailbox. I think we should be able to get that done next week. We've got one side to do, the back, and then we're going to do the roof and then build the door. Sounds like a lot, but it's just a mailbox. Shouldn't take that terribly long, I don't think. So we're going to finish up on that. We're going to clean out the show trailer. Haven't had much opportunity to do that. We were busy with the 2x stock, busy with the auction, but the rain's been pretty heavy here, as y'all know. Matter of fact, we thought we were going to get rain pretty good tonight and come running and jumping and got the dogs fed and got everything done and picked up and put up, and then lo and behold, no real rain, just a couple of drops. We had some pretty serious wind out there.
Wind was major.
Yeah, it's when the tops of the trees are touching the ground, you know it's windy. It was pretty tough out there. We're going to finish that vanity to nightstand. Now, I know we talked about us finishing that this past week that just passed, but one, we hadn't really decided on the top, and I think we're there now. I think we've decided on the top.
It's going to be poplar.
Yeah, it's going to be poplar, very popular. Then we're going to do a, that was a joke, then we're going to do black and white, I think, on the paint job on it. Yeah, so
because they match identical to Reebok's vanity that she already has.
Okay.
So instead of a second vanity, put her 2 nightstands in her room.
Yep.
And it'll match.
That'll look good. We'll get you some pictures of that. I've already got some pictures of the deconstruction phase of that, which really wasn't nothing. So as we go back and rebuild this project, now that we have a solid plan, we'll do some pictures on that. We might do kind of a slideshow video on that, let y'all kind of see how that project went on. All right, let's move on. All right, do you have anything for upcoming? Or?
Yeah, we have upcoming. We're going to change out the tabletops.
Okay.
We're going to do that new wood burning technique.
Oh yeah, that's going to be exciting.
Yeah, that's going to be exciting
nice.
as long as I don't electrocute myself.
Yeah, well,
that's what I got you for, right? And I do have a good life insurance plan, so hey, we're great.
Yeah.
And we're going to do that. We're going to change out some of the cedar tops since they're not selling with maybe some of this new stuff, something that nobody else in the place has, and make smaller pieces that we can hang on the wall. So that'll be something new that we can bring in.
Yeah, nobody has the tabletops like we have, but there's a lot of live edge stuff up there, and we think there's some carryover from they just seen this live edge. They come up and see our cedar live edge, and they don't really get it. So, and the cedar, are we going to throw them tabletops away, or what are we going to do?
No. We're going to change them into something else. Maybe turn them into, cut them down, maybe turn them into some chargers, or make them into some wall art or something.
I like that idea. Well, I think we're going to get some pretty good hits off the wall.
I think so too.
So y'all hang on and watch that as this comes up. Anything else you can think of we got coming up?
No, not except your new chair.
All right, well. That's it. I got a new chair for Father's Day. It's a little late getting in. Got in it today, man. Fell asleep probably within 10-15 minutes. So it's going to be an excellent chair. Yeah, it was a great thing. Come home and boom, there's a chair sitting in the back of the truck, ready for me to put to use. And gosh,
it didn't take you 10 minutes.
It's an extremely comfortable chair. It really is.
I don't know that Kimmy's going to be able to get in and out of it. It's pretty high off the floor.
There. Yeah, we might have to get her step stool for that or something. We'll have to figure out something. All right. Well, that's really about it for this evening, isn't it?
Yep.
All right. As always, we'd like to say thank you for watching the video. And remember, we'd love to see you back in the shop. Sound check. 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. Sound check. Sound check. Sound check.
Sound check.
You all right? Oh Lord, that's horrible. We can't even use that as an outtake.